Now, just for your understanding or for your knowledge, I am going to explain you credit creation in a short. Before understanding, there are certain reserves which every commercial bank has to keep with RBI. Okay, one is cash reserve ratio, which is known as CRR, which every commercial bank has to keep with RBI. Suppose CRR is 20%. Okay, here suppose SBI, for example, SBI is having 10,000 rupees deposit in his bank. This is the initial deposit. From that 10,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees is CRR, which SBI has to give to RBI. Now what is left? 8,000. This 8,000 rupees SBI is using to give as a loan to the people. This is the process. Okay. So this is the basic. Now let us see that how all the commercial banks collectively creates the credit. Here I am writing the name of the bank. Here initial deposit. Then CRR, what the reserve, what they are to keep, and then the loan amount which they can give as a loan. Now suppose a person is having an account in SBI. Okay, he has given in SBI, the deposit of SBI is rupees 1,000. Here I am taking all the deposit and everything is in crores. Suppose there is 1,000 rupees. Now from this 1,000, SBI has to give RBI 200. CRR is 20%. How much is left with SBI? 800 rupees, which SBI will give as a loan to the other person. Now suppose another one person who is having account in SBI has taken this 800 rupees. He has to give this amount to Mr. C. Mr. C is having his account in ICICI. So whatever check of 800 rupees Mr. B has given to Mr. C, Mr. C deposited in his ICICI bank. Now initial deposit of ICICI is 800. Now ICICI how much has to give to RBI? 160. What is left with 640 will left with ICICI, which ICICI will give as a loan. Now another person came and take this 640 and just he want to give the payment to someone else who is having account in PNB. He put his check in PNB and the initial deposit of PNB is 640. PNB also has to keep CRR, which is 128. So what is left with PNB is 512. If we see till here, initial deposit is in the economy is 1,000. Na? And till now, all the commercial bank are able to create credit of 1952. Deposit is only of 1,000 rupees and all the banks collectively creates the credit of this much. This process will going on and on till a one multiple. Till all the banks are not able to create the credit of 5,000 rupees or any multiple of it. This is called children credit creation process, which is done by the commercial banks collectively, because all the commercial banks are interrelated with each other, which is known as CBS. This system is known as core banking system. Now we can withdraw the amount from any ATM. Na? I am having the ATM of SBI. I can go to the ICICI and take my amount. This is known as CBS, core banking system. When all banks are interrelated with each other, are connected with each other. So all the commercial banks with the help of this 1,000 are able to create the credit of 5,000 rupees in the economy. This is called credit creation. and this can be done especially by the CRR and by this lending capacity. This is a very important thing. This is a very important function of commercial bank, and further we will study how central bank, how RBI controls this credit creation power of the commercial bank. We will study it. How central bank controls the credit creation power of the commercial banks. Everything is in the hand of the government. How much amount we are going to take loan, how much loan we will going to take, everything is in the hand of the RBI, in the hand of the government. When government wants that people will take more loan, they change their policy. When they want to control our purchasing power, they change their policy. We will study it in central bank. So this is the credit creation process. This is not in your course, only just for your understanding, that you should know that how all the commercial banks creates the credit in the economy. Clear?